Have you ever found yourself trying to summarize data in R, only to feel stuck on how to combine different summaries? It can be a real head-scratcher. If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore how to elegantly combine two different dplyr summaries into a single command. I totally get it. Many users struggle with creating group summaries in R, especially when they want to report both counts and means in one go. You're definitely not alone in this, and it's a common challenge for data analysts. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I create a grouped summary that reports the number of records in each group and also shows the means of several variables? They mentioned that they could only figure out how to do this as two separate summaries, which they then joined together. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this and find a more elegant solution. So, what's the issue here? When working with dplyr, it can be tricky to combine different types of summaries. But don't worry, we can streamline this process and make your code cleaner and more efficient. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only learn how to combine these summaries, but also discover a powerful tip that will enhance your data analysis skills. To combine two different summaries in a single command, the user can utilize the dplyr package's summarize function with multiple summarization methods. This allows for a more elegant solution without needing to join separate summaries. First, the user should group the data by the type column. This is done using the group by function. Grouping is essential for calculating summaries for each category. Next, the user can create a single summarize call that calculates both the count of records and the means of the specified variables. This can be achieved by using the n function for counting and the across function for calculating means. Finally, the user can combine these steps into one complete command. This will yield a summary that includes both the number of records and the means of the specified variables in one go. Fun fact, did you know that R was created by statisticians for statisticians? It's like having a Swiss Army knife for data analysis. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user combines the summaries into a single command. They recommend using the mutate function instead of summarize to add the count and means directly to the group data. In a modified example, the user shows how to create a summary data frame that includes the count and means for each group, resulting in a clear and concise output. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative approach suggested by another user involves using the mutate function instead of separate summaries. They recommend grouping by type, then using mutate to add a count of records and calculate the means of specific variables in one go. Here's a pro tip. Always check your data for missing values before summarizing. This can save you from unexpected results and ensure your analysis is accurate. And there you have it. You've learned how to combine two different dplyr summaries into a single command. Remember, cleaner code leads to better analysis. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into data manipulation.